Students, Dr. York here with a quick Google Class tip. When you click on your assignments and you open it up, you will see this one by Casey Neistat saying to evaluate his quote and write your response here. What some of you are doing is to start typing here and you continue your response down below the instructions. What I actually want you to do is highlight the instructions and start typing your response over the instructions so that you fill out the complete box and get 100% of the points that are available to you.